Now let us put your finance setup to work at the counter. In this video, you will sell digital services inside a sale. On the sales screen, open the service dialog. You can also press a keyboard shortcut to open it fast. Let us start with an easy load. Pick the SIM network and enter the load amount. Confirm it, and that SIM balance goes down automatically. You can also sell a package load the same way. Just choose the package and add it to the sale. Next are digital wallet services like JazzCash and EasyPaisa. Do a cash in when a customer adds money to their wallet. Do a cash out when they take money out. Enter the fee you charge for the service. The wallet account balance updates right away. There are also handy services beyond mobile load. Charge for a bag, delivery, installation, or repair. Add any of these to the sale in a click. Every service you sell is recorded in your ledgers, so your balances and profits stay accurate all the time. That completes selling digital services at the point of sale. You now have the full power of GOF POS at your counter.